Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video in WPF. So today we're going to be talking about stack panels. You know, all the WPF layout panels. So we have three different ones. We have the stack panel, we have the grid, and we have canvas. And we're going to start with the stack panels. Yeah. Why do we use these layout panels? To arrange and position the elements in your user interface. We use layout panels. Okay, so that's why we have that. So but before we start, guys, please, hopefully this video help you out. Please like and subscribe. All right, so we're growing slowly but steady, man. So we're just grinding, man. We're grinding. Okay, anyway, so let's get rid of these elements right here, the grid, and we're going to do a stack panel, right there. Boom, 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 and then we're going to close it right there. So inside this stack panel elements, we're going to create some property elements by the name of stack panel dot children. So that's what we're going to be doing. Stack, yeah, we gotta do this. Stack panel. What did I do? Panel. And then, oh yeah, sorry, that we still got children. That children. So let's get rid of that right here. Okay, this is what we have. So now inside here we're going to create another element inside the stack panel children. So we're going to say rectangle. So we're going to see the difference, but we're going to start first with the stack panel. A rectangle. Yeah, let's close it right there. And let's just do another. Let's just do a couple. Let's just do three of this. Copy, pan, and pan. Okay. So inside here, we're going to give it some attributes. Name right here. So we're going to say fill equals light blue. Light blue right here. And now, and also we're going to give it a high. How? This is kind of similar to CSS right here. So we'll give it a high of is going to be 20. Boom. Okay, you can see that. Now we're going to give it a margin too. A margin of, we're going to do 2. Did that work? Cool. Let's just do a margin of 5. Yeah, so you can see a little bit more. Okay. So now, and let's copy all of this. No, let's just do that. Fill. So basically, we're going to be having just the same thing, but we're going to change the color. Basically, let me just get rid of that right here, so we don't have to be repeating ourselves or copying our same codes. Copying, like, we're trying just to save as much time over here. So the string, we can change that to the color. Let's just do yeah, let's just do light blue. All of them. Yeah, so that should be good in here. So yeah, should we just change it to red? Maybe let's just change red to see the difference. Yeah, red. Okay, and then we're just going to do yellow at the bottom. Okay, cool. So that's what we have for the stack panel. So now, since we already, so like right here we're using a stack panel dot children, we don't need to use those ones in here because it's already defined also in the stack panel attribute. So we can get rid of this and it still will work our program. Yeah, so it still stands. Now if we want to use a better uh, layout panel for the user interface, we are going to be using the grid. So and that's what, so this was just a pretty short video about the stack panel. So now we're going to go to the next video and we're going to talk about the grid. Okay, and then at the end we're going to talk about the difference. But anyway, so hopefully this video kind of help you out how to at least kind of how to use a stack panel. Okay, anyway, so have a good night and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.